Good morning, students. Today again we are doing EVS. How was the last video of EVS? Do you remember what we have learned? Yes, we have discussed the first part of our village, our city. And today we are going to start a second part of the lesson. Before I start, I would like to appreciate your work. You have done a fantastic job in drawing. City drawing and village. Both you have done a fantastic job. Keep it up, students. Students, do you remember what we have discussed in the last video? Come on, let's go. Here is the first point what we have discussed in the last video of EVS. We discussed the village life. What is the meaning of village? Village, a group of house in a country which is smaller than a town or city is called village. Village have a small houses. Yes, we have seen in the last video. Village have a small houses. Most of the people work in the field. Field means where do they go? They go in farm. They're doing farming. Everybody's working in farm. They have a few hospitals and schools. Hardly they're having only one hospital, that is Sarkari hospital and Sarkari school. That means government hospital, government school. The people of our village have a very simple life. Yes, we have discussed. They wear a traditional dress. They eat traditional food. So and they're having a very simple life. Simple life. Then we discuss the life of cities. Now, how is the life of cities? Cities is a large and important town. A lot of people live in city. As we know, everybody you will get a large number of populations. Everybody you will get a crowd in city. Cities have a big buildings. Cities have offices. Cities have a college and universities. If you will see in our area, we have a big university, that is Mumbai University in Kalina. Cities have a big markets. As we know, there are so many malls in Mumbai. Cities have a big hospitals, and most of the people work in offices. In villages, people work in field, but in Mumbai, everybody working in offices. So these points we have discussed in last video. So now, students, we will get more information about city life and village life, and we will learn how the man developed his life, how he's invented, how he's developed his lifestyle. That we will discuss now. Yes, students, now tell me, what do we get from the farm? We get many things from farm, which is very good for our health. We get vegetables, fruits, grains, the everything vegetables that we get from the farm. And in Mumbai also, in Mumbai we don't have that much, we don't have a sufficient land for the farming. So everything in Mumbai, the vegetables, everything we get a transport from, we get a supply, it is getting from the village side. Like we get a, in Mumbai most of the vegetables come from the Nasik or Pune. So we cannot make, we don't have that sufficient land in Mumbai for growing the crops. So this everything we get from the farm. Then what we get from the Mumbai in city? What we get? See, we have industries in Mumbai, small scales and large scales. So there are so many things like our toys, our bags. We have a big factories in Mumbai. So these are the things comes from the Mumbai, like your toys, books, bag, then our luxurious life, like the car, machines, everything that invented in the Mumbai. So we have a big industries in Mumbai. Now let's discuss about transport. Students, have you ever thought about how nomadic people, and after that how the human being, what do they use for the transport? because in those days they don't have a car, bike, motorcycle, train, aeroplane for the traveling. So the animals, they use animals for the transport. As you can see in the picture, the horse is helping, then bullock is helping, they are helping for the transportation. So students, as man's need increase, he invented the new means of transport. As you can see in the picture, he was very interested in farming, so he developed tractor for the farming. Then there are so many things comes in Mumbai, and this is what for the aeroplane. Aeroplane nowadays we are using for the international transport. If you want to go abroad, then we go by the aeroplane. Now let's discuss the means of transport used in cities. Now in Mumbai, you see so many transport, like means of transport. If you'll observe on road while traveling, you will see bicycle, then car, scooty. Then now here is a some different means of transport now. Now bicycle, sheep, scooter, taxi, aeroplane, and the four wheeler. Now students, these are the means of transport. Transport help us to uh, travel, reach on time. If you want to go fast, if you want to reach very early, it's at some places, then this transport will help you to reach on right time, like car, train, scooter. And if you want to meet your friends, your relatives, like if they are out of state and you have to reach urgently, like you have to go very urgent, so what you will do, you can go by the aeroplane also. Now we will discuss the type of transport, different type of transport according to their mode of like modes of transport. Now here you will see the land of transport. Now there are buses, the things which moves on road, like scooter, then cars, bicycle. So these are the land of transport. So after land, now we will discuss about air of transport. Now air transport, air of. Now here you will see the plane, air balloons. Air balloons you must have seen near the like out of countries. Most of the where the beaches are there, there this air balloons you will get to see. Then helicopter, shuttle. These are the air of transport. Now here we have a water transport. Students, if you have gone near Gateway of India, you must have seen the ship, boat. If you'll go to the Goa, you will see a lot of sailboat over there, or uh, steamer or ship. Now here is a picture from your textbook now. Now students, observe the pictures carefully and tell me now. I'm going to ask the question now. Now here. Now observe the picture carefully and tell me. Now first question for you. What his grandfather is doing? What and what he's reading now? Tell me. Now he's sitting and uh, something is there in his hand. What is the name of that? What is that? What grandfather is doing? Yes, you guess correct. Grandfather is reading newspaper. Newspaper. He's reading a newspaper. Now, students, we get to know like if we want to know what's happening in the Mumbai or in the world. So newspaper help us to give us a proper knowledge. Now look at the Thai who is sitting behind the grandfather. What is Thai is using to find some information? Yes, she's sitting and she's doing something on computer. As we know, Tai is using computer. She's using computer, and she's using internet on computer. That means internet help us to find the correct information. If you'll type Google, like if you'll find, you can find anything on Google. You can go anywhere. You can watch. You can go anywhere on Google. You will get to see like so many other pictures, world pictures, historical places, anything, everything. We will get information from the Google. Now here is a third question for you. What is grandmother is watching? Now here is a third question for you. What is grandmother is watching? Yes, she's watching TV. Very good. Now Dada is listening to songs. Dada is listening to songs. Now tell me, children, what does he put in his ear to do this? Now every day we also listening song, but what do we put? We put a earphone in a ear. Now the fifth question. What is father is using to speak to someone? What is there in your hand? Yes, he's using mobile. Now the sixth one. Who is at the door? What is mother taking from him? Yes. Who is this person? We call a postman. Very good. Now students, everyone, they are getting information. Some getting from the internet, the grandmother is getting from the TV, the father is talking, somebody is telling him the message, or somebody is asking him something. Here Dada is listening music, their postman. So students, these are the means of communications, means TV, newspaper, internet, then radio. These means from radio we are getting information. We get to know so many information from the radio. We can hear interviews of the people. From the internet we get to know the outside people's thought, your friends thought. From the newspaper, every day we are getting new newspaper, like new every day we are getting a news about our world, our country, our Mumbai, our school. Now the coronavirus, we are getting so many information about this virus from the newspaper, internet, mobile, WhatsApp. So these are the means of communication. Means of communication means what? Means of communication means to send or to receive information and messages by letters, TV, mobiles, phone, etc. Now here are the means of communications. Okay. Now the first one: computer, radio, telephone, newspaper, cell phone, letter, television or TV, magazines. Students, our life is incomplete without all these means of communication. Means every day we have to work, and we cannot complete our work without our mobile, radio, telephone, newspaper. These are very useful in our life. Now we will talk about the dialects. Now we will talk about dialect. Dialect is a language spoken in a particular or specific region, or it is spoken language. For example, in Maharashtra, there are so many districts are there. So every district they're having their own language. For example, if you'll go to Khandesh, if you'll go to Jalgaon, they will have a Khandeshi language over there. If you'll go to Vidarbha, in Vidarbha, three, four districts are coming. So if you'll go to Vidarbha, so in Vidarbha, Varadi language speak. If you'll go to Konkan, they speak Konkani. If you'll go Malvan, they will speak Malwani language. So these are the different language. If you'll go to Pune, the Pune they have a different language. If you'll go to Nasik, they have their different language. Dialect means what? Man uses language to talk to each other and to communicate his thought to other people. As you can see in the picture, how the one person is talking with other and other is listening. Here they can share their thoughts, their emotions, their sorrow. So language is helpful. How we have discussed in Marathi, that conversation, same way the language is help us to express our thoughts. As I discuss you that Irani here is a state of sorry here is a map of Maharashtra, and you can see the Irani, Malwani, Waradi means Irani speaking Khandesh. If you go to Konkan, they speak a Malwani language, and if you go to Vidarbha, they speak a Waradi language. See, in Mumbai, there are everybody comes from the different district, different state. So what happens? Words from the other languages enter our language. Means one person can take some words from the other language for speaking. Now, students, what is our state name? We live in Maharashtra. We live in Maharashtra and we speak Marathi in Maharashtra. So, Marathi is our state language. So, now we will discuss about the communications. So, now we are so happy na every day. Now we have a mobile, internet. If we want to talk with our friends, grandmother, grandfather who is out of our state, who stays in village, so if you want to talk with them, we can use so many means of communication. But students, have you ever thought about the people, about olden people, what did they like, what they have used in those days for the for the communications? Yes, they use animals, they use birds for the communications, for the transport the message. Now here pigeon, it is used to carry the letters. Now you can see how he's there is a letter. You can see na, yes. Again you can see here the message was sent by writing it down on a piece of paper or cloth, and they were tying the piece to the bird's legs. You can see here. So students, I hope you have understood the lesson. So students, I hope you have understood the lesson. So now you will open a textbook and you will read the lesson number 7 from the EVS textbook. Thank you.